Hey Jill, so you're going to open up a Google slide. You can use this one if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and name it Spring Bingo. And what you're going to want to do first is change the layout because this document is more of an 8 by 10. And so what you're going to do is go to File, Page Setup, and we're going to go to Custom, and we're just going to type in 8 by 10 and then Apply. And that's going to change our setup. I'm going to go ahead and delete these text boxes because you don't need them. And then what you're going to do is you might want to do Command minus, and then you're going to take a screenshot of each of these different sheets. So you're going to hit Shift Control 4, and then you're just going to take your screenshot. I'm going to go ahead and copy this and paste it in. And then you're going to do another blank slide. And then you're going to get the next one. I think that's how you want to use this. If it's not, just let me know and I can readjust or show you how else to do it. So there's that one. I'm going to copy it. And you can just drag it from your desktop. I'm on a Chromebook right now, but you can use your MacBook and just drag it from your desktop onto here. So there's those two slides. The next step is Pear Deck. I have Pear Deck right here, but that's because I have this Power Up extension. So if you have the extension, it should show up right here. If you don't have it, you're going to go to Add-ons, and then it should be right here, Pear Deck, or you can get Add-ons and search for Pear Deck. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Open with Pear Deck. This sidebar is going to open up. And then I like the drawing tool because then students can draw on it. And I think Pear Deck, for it to work, has to be outside of the shared drive. So you might have to make a copy and have it in two different spots for just this time being. I don't think it works in the shared drive, but I could be wrong. Another thing you might want to consider to just save you some time, so you're not having to add drawing tool to all of these different slides, is duplicating this slide, deleting the image, and then just adding the image, and your draw tool's right already on there. Or you could just duplicate this blank slide and then add your background if you wanted to. So there's some options there. Another option is you can add a background, and I can choose an image. Let's see here. And everything seems to be loading a lot slower than normal. Let's try to go back here and see if it loads faster. I think just because of the amount of people that are using Google during this time. Let's see if I can upload it. Might be faster. So here's my screenshot, open. And now the kids can't move it from the background. Where here, if you're sharing the Google slide with them, they can move this. So that's another trick, depending on how you want to use it. But in Pear Deck, they won't be able to move the slide at all. But if you aren't using Pear Deck and just sharing the Google slide with them and then meeting with them through Google Meet, you might want to make it the background. That's up to you. Pear Deck also has where you can add text, choices, numbers, website, draggables, and all of that kind of stuff. They also have templates if you want to use some of their templates. So I'm going to hit Present Lesson. And once you are ready, the kids are going to go to joinpd.com. And then they're going to type in this code that's going to pop up. This box right here will tell you which students, how they respond with their names. On here, due to FERPA stuff, because normally teachers share it on the screen, it will not be available. The kids type in the code. Depending on how you're running this, if it's through Google Meet, you might want to just run it, or you might want to do a self-paced lesson.
AJ. Sorry.
I'm recording. I'm trying to record something, but you messed it up. It's all good. Oh wow, whole thing of tea, AJ.